You are floating far above the Earth, higher than any airplane, higher than the International Space Station. Below you, the planet looks peaceful. Blue oceans, white clouds, a thin glowing line of atmosphere hugging the surface. There is no sound around you, no wind, no up or down. For a few seconds, it feels calm, almost beautiful. Then reality hits. You are in space. You are not wearing a spacesuit. No helmet, no oxygen tank, nothing is protecting your body. The vacuum of space surrounds you completely. The first thing you notice is the air, or more accurately, the lack of it. You try to breathe in, but nothing happens. Your lungs do not fill. Your chest feels empty. Within seconds, the oxygen in your blood begins to drop. Your brain immediately senses danger. A powerful feeling of panic floods your body. Your heart starts racing. Your instincts scream at you to breathe, but there is no air to breathe. If you try to hold your breath, the situation becomes worse. The air trapped inside your lungs begins to expand. In space, there is no pressure pushing back. Your chest tightens painfully. If you do not exhale, your lungs can rupture. So your body forces the air out. Now your lungs are completely empty. At the same time, another strange effect begins. The moisture on your tongue starts to boil, not from heat, but from the lack of pressure. Tiny bubbles form in your saliva. Your lips feel numb. Your eyes begin to swell slightly. Your skin starts to puff up. This happens because the gases inside your body expand. But your body does not explode. Human skin is strong enough to hold everything together. For now. About 10 seconds have passed. Your vision begins to fade. The edges turn dark. Stars blur. The earth below becomes dim. Your brain is starving for oxygen. Your thoughts slow down. Confusion takes over. You can no longer focus. This is the point where consciousness slips away. You pass out. Your body goes limp. But even though you are unconscious, the fall continues. Gravity has been pulling you the entire time. At first, the fall was gentle, almost unnoticeable. Now it becomes faster. Earth slowly begins to grow larger beneath you. You enter the very outer edge of the atmosphere. At this height, the air is extremely thin, but you are moving incredibly fast. Air particles begin slamming into your body, one by one, then by millions. Friction begins to build. Heat starts to rise. At first, it feels like warmth, then intense heat, then unbearable fire. Your body becomes a falling meteor. A bright streak forms behind you in the sky. The air around you glows. Temperatures rise above 1,000 degrees Celsius. Your exposed skin begins to burn. Not all at once. First your hands, then your face, then your legs. The speed is beyond imagination. Faster than sound, faster than most bullets. Even though you are unconscious, your body continues to suffer. Muscle tissue begins to cook. Blood heats up. But something unexpected happens. A thin layer of superheated air forms around your body. For a brief moment, it acts like a shield, just like a spacecraft during re-entry. It slows down the burning slightly. But this protection is weak. Your body is not designed for this. As you fall lower, the air grows thicker. The pressure increases rapidly. Extreme forces tear through your body. Your spine compresses. Bones begin to fracture. Internal organs shift violently. Your limbs are pulled and twisted by the rushing air. The fire around you starts to fade, not because it is safe, but because you are slowing down. Now gravity fully takes control. You are falling like any other object, but at a terminal velocity no human can survive. The ground races toward you. Oceans spread out below. Mountains rise. Cities come into view. If you hit water at this speed, it feels solid, like hitting concrete. If you hit land, the result is instant. There is no pain, no awareness, no final moment of fear, just sudden, absolute silence. So what if you fell from space without a suit? You would not survive.
not because of the fall alone, but because space itself is deadly. Yet this scenario reveals something important. Earth protects us every second. The atmosphere, the pressure, the oxygen. Without them, human life lasts only moments. So the next time you look up at the night sky, remember this. Space is beautiful, but it is not forgiving.